Hey, glad to see you here. Things I'm almost certain you won't regret when you travel. Not the big bucket list attractions, but the small choices that quietly make you travel better. Slow mornings, unexpected conversations, choosing peace over rushing. I'm sharing a few of those simple travel decisions here, the kind that usually end up becoming the best memories. So please swipe left. Waking up early to watch the sunrise while traveling is a very different feeling. The world is quiet, and for a few minutes, it feels like the place belongs only to you. There's a calm, almost grounding moment when the light slowly spreads across the landscape. Staying a little longer after the sun sets is magical. The sky slowly changes color, the crowds begin to leave, and everything becomes softer and calmer. There's a gentle pause in the air, almost like the place is exhaling after the day. In that moment, you are not rushing to the next thing, you are just there, soaking it all in. Travel often gives you a chance to learn something new, sometimes just by observing. I once visited a monastery and watched Buddhist lamas practice debating. The energy and the rhythm of it was fascinating. Moments like that reminds you that travel isn't just about places, but new ways of seeing the world. Spending more time in the great outdoors has a way of slowing you down. Whether it is a quiet beach, a forest trail, or just sitting with a mountain view, nature gently pulls you out of the rush of everyday life and reminds you how good it feels to simply breathe and be present. Working towards your dream life doesn't happen all at once. It begins with small steps and quiet decisions you make today. Starting now matters because the life you imagine slowly takes shape through the choices and effort you put in over time. Believing in yourself, especially when it feels like no one else does, is a quiet kind of strength. It's what keeps you moving forward even when the path isn't clear yet. Sometimes that belief is the only thing you have at the beginning, but it's often what makes everything else possible. Choosing peace is one of the most underrated decisions you can make, especially while traveling. It means not chasing every crowded attraction, not rushing from place to place, and allowing yourself to slow down. Sometimes the best moments of a trip come when you choose calm over chaos and simply let the experience unfold. Making an effort for the people you love is always worth it. A call, a visit, a small gesture while traveling. These moments remind people they matter, and often those shared memories become far more meaningful than the places themselves. Spending money on experiences rather than things often stays with you longer. Things eventually lose their novelty, but experiences become stories, memories, and moments you carry with you for years. Travel specially reminds you that what you feel and live through matters far more than what you own. These trips become shared memories that everyone carries along after the journey ends. Life gets busy, schedules change, and people grow older, but the time you spend exploring the world together often becomes some of the most meaningful moments you will look back on. Trusting in yourself that you are capable of more than you think. It might feel uncertain at first, but many of the most meaningful journeys begin with that one decision to try, even before you feel fully ready. You have got this. I'll see you all out there. And as you take these steps, big or small, know that I am on this journey with you too, cheering you on and sharing the road as we figure it out together.